guys, it's Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another tour around the beautiful city of Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is a city well known for its architecture. Its style is highly influenced by European architecture, which makes it stand out from other cities in the area. However, there is something about Buenos Aires, a vibe, a feeling that just makes it unique, and it sets it apart from everything else. On a cloudy winter day like today, Buenos Aires is more alive than ever. Both tourists and locals don't get discouraged by the weather conditions, and instead they spend the entire weekend enjoying the treasures that the city has to offer. So, enough chatting. With no further ado, let's get on with the video. Our first stop today is this building behind me, Galerías Pacífico. Let's go! It was built by the end of the 19th century by Argentines Francisco Sever and Emilio Murphy. It was inspired by one of the most iconic French markets, and originally it was intended to hold the latest fashion expressions of the time. In 1908, the English Railway, Buenos Aires and Pacific Railway bought the entire building. After that, it took the name of Edificio del Pacífico, or Building of the Pacific, since it was a route that connected Buenos Aires with Valparaíso, Chile. Right now, we're standing right in the middle of the widest avenue in the world. This is Avenida 9 de Julio in Buenos Aires. Okay guys, and now we're at Ateneo Grand Splendid, a bookshop inside the former Grand Splendid Theater of Buenos Aires. In 2019, National Geographic placed this bookshop as the #1 most beautiful in the world. We can't talk that much here because people are reading and we have to be quiet, so let's take a look around. The dome is 20 meters from side to side and was hand-painted by the Italian Nazareno Orlandi. It is an allegorical representation in oil of peace that was painted in 1919 to honor the end of the First World War. Okay guys, and this building behind me is El Palacio de Aguas Corrientes de Buenos Aires. This building used to be a water pumping station in Buenos Aires, although obviously the most significant aspect of this building is its architecture. Okay guys, and that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got to see some of the beautiful treasures that Buenos Aires City has to offer you. And no matter the weather, know that you can always have a good time if you visit. As you can see, COVID recommendations won't stop you from having a good time. As long as you wear your mask and check your temperature before going into these buildings, you're good to go. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. And also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what would you like to see in next videos. Make sure to follow us on all our social media. We have TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, everything. It's all in the description. Make sure to check out OCTB and start taking Spanish lessons today with native Spanish speakers like me. I'll see you there. Nos vemos!